Oh hey, welcome back to my channel. My name is Janelle, also known as KraziiCurls. If you're new to my channel, make sure that you subscribe, not now but right now, and hit the bell so that you never miss another video. If you don't hit the bell, you won't get the notifications for when I upload, and you don't want to miss that. With that being said, today we are going to do a beauty look, mostly eyeshadow because I don't do all that extra stuff, just not my thing. But I hope that you guys like this look. And if you do, make sure to leave a comment down below, share with your friends, share with your family, and that's about it. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter to keep up with me on a daily. Going in with Itsmyrayeraye second palette, the shades I'm using is Top Notch, Scarlett, and Flare. Using Flare as the first shade and the number 7 brush, I'm going to apply that above my crease. I love this palette because it is just so pigmented and I do not need to build it up so much, but I will be adding some more Flare on top of this first application just because I really want to deepen it up. Now that that's done, I'm going in with a fluffy blending brush and just blending out these harsh lines that you see. Now, I've always had an issue blending, but I'm getting better. So I'm actually going to show you what this side looks like first, and then I will show you what both eyes look like together. That's one eye. This is the second. Now going in with the Scarlett shade and the number 8 brush, I'm adding that to the outer corner of my lid. I absolutely love this color. The more I add to it, the brighter it becomes, and I think that this color is just so beautiful. Now I definitely had to go back in with the shade Flare and add that above my crease just so that it wouldn't get lost. Ooh, I like. Using a clean flat brush, I am going to go in with the last shade, which is Top Notch. This shade is so beautiful. So beautiful. And one thing I love about this palette is that all the colors just blend so well together. I have no issues whatsoever doing that. So I'm going to add a couple more applications just to get it to the shade that I like. And after that, you will see me adding more Scarlett because I felt like after I finished adding all of this Top Notch, it got a little lost. So this is just me adding a little bit more of that Scarlett shade to my outer corner. And once that is officially done, I am just going in with that flat brush and just blending out the lines so that it wouldn't look so harsh. Done. Cool. I love it. Okay, so now that that's officially done, I really like the way the colors complement each other. They don't really go too high above on my eyelid. So honestly, this is where I was going to finish the video, but I decided to just show you guys the final steps, which I usually include in all of my videos. I really didn't want to this time, but hey, I'm doing it for anyone who is just new to my channel so that you can see what my process is. I went in with the NYX Concealer, but this time in the shade 04, which is for my bags. And now that that's done and blended out, I'm going in with my MAC Studio Foundation Powder and just evening out my skin tone. Unfortunately, the shade Moonlight is all cracked and stuff, so I have to figure out a way to fix it, but yeah. So I decided to use the Moonlight highlighter anyway. I really wanted a subtle look. I didn't want anything that was out there. If I wanted my highlight to pop out more, I would have just added more highlight to it, but that's just that. So going in with my Itsmyrayeraye number 9 brush using the shade Tiffany, I'm adding that to my inner tear duct. And then once that is officially done, I'm actually going to go in with the shade Friday from the Itsmyrayeraye's first palette. This highlighter is from her first palette, and this is from her first palette as well, and I'm adding that to my lower lash line. I love that both her palettes together just complement each other so well. So if I don't have a color in one, I can definitely go into another. Man, I really like the way this came out. You know what I'm gonna do? Instead of adding concealer to clean up my eyebrows, I just decided to leave them alone and add some concealer just to the brow bone, and I think that did the job just fine. If you always add concealer to fix up your eyebrows, let me know down in the comments below. And after priming my lips, I decided to go in with Itsmyrayeraye's Rosy Raye liquid lip and just add that color to my lips. And this is the finished beauty look. At the end of the day, I think it's cute. I think it's festive. I'm not 100% sure about this lip color. If I change it, it will be a nude lip with some clear gloss on top, just to, you know, contrast all the pink that I have going on. But you know what? It's okay. If I do, I'll insert a picture and you guys will see it. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know if you use some of the techniques that I use. Let me know what other steps you use. I know that I don't add blush just because I don't have any, and I'm lazy to invest in some. But if you have any constructive criticism, just let me know. Peace and love. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.